Actually, बरो late realize झालं because I never had this plan to become a singer-songwriter as such. Like, I had to like go out of Goa to study MBA शिकपाक Chennai for 2 years, and then after I worked for 3 years. That's when my mother passed away, and then I break up with plus very toxic work environment. I was so depressed, so I had to leave everything and come back. And then COVID झालं आणि my friend Joshua, so तो बोललो बाबा let's do something, you got a good voice, cover songs कर रे, YouTuber घाल रे. तो बोललो ना तो quality पण मला घालपा नाका. So एक friend आलो त्याने cover song घाले एक, and the quality चोड बरो आलो सारको. I'd like to mention him, his name is Sidroy. And मैं इथाले हो तो किश केले. So then he explained me about AI stuff. So you need a proper mic, you need a jack to connect your guitar and record and everything. So then 30,000 किती आते नाले आणि काय पैसे नाले बँकात. So म्हणलं okay, let's invest.